If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
Now it's easier than ever to enjoy fresh, cold brewed coffee with Takeya's Cold Brew coffee maker. With cold brewing, only the naturally delicious coffee flavors are extracted, leaving behind the bitter oils and fatty acids, creating a perfectly balanced, smooth extraction of concentrated coffee. It's as simple as add coffee, brew, and serve hot or iced. And you can make, serve, and store all in one. Let's get started by adding coffee to our premium mesh infuser. The fine mesh material expertly filters the coffee grounds to extract rich, delicious flavors and ensures a smooth concentrate free of gritty sediment particles. Depending on your strength, add 14 to 16 tablespoons of your favorite medium or dark roast coarsely ground coffee to the infuser. Twist the infuser into the lid. Now add 4 cups of cold filtered water to the Takeya pitcher. Then lower the infuser into the water, seal the lid airtight, and store the pitcher in the refrigerator overnight or up to 36 hours. Occasionally open and swirl the infuser during brewing. Once the coffee is finished brewing, remove the infuser. Now you're ready to make a delicious cup of coffee with the fresh concentrate. Ready to serve it hot? Mix 1 part coffee concentrate with 2 parts boiling water and stir in cream and sweetener if desired. Like it iced? Simply pour coffee concentrate and water or milk over ice and stir in the sweetener of your choice. The cold brew coffee concentrate can be kept fresh for up to 2 weeks when stored in the fridge in our airtight pitcher. And that's it. Make, serve, and store cold brew coffee all in one.